Hi beautiful people, so today we want to do a hair that I've shown you at the beginning of the video. We slick down. I'm using these Marley braids that I got from supermarket at 325. We need a small comb, some oil to make the shine, and some gel. I use it nice and lovely, and some small clips to make the hair look awesome. So let's jump ahead to the video. First of all, I will separate a triangle shape in front of my hair so that I can pull this look, and use the brother and set it aside as I continue to do this. I'm just making sure that the line is smooth. I'm not good at this, but I try, and you know my hair is thick, so getting a perfect curve, a straight line, it's not usually that easy for me, but I try guys. So we set aside this part of the hair and work on the other part of the hair by applying gel and making sure that the gel is, as in we use ample amount of gel, because we just want to lay this hair so low. So many people think that you cannot lay low your natural hair, but it's possible guys. Thank God, because before we had to treat our hair so that we can lay it low, but nowadays so the reason why I use this gel, because it doesn't have those white flags that eco styling gel usually gives me. That's why I didn't go for the eco styling gel, but if it works for you, you can just use eco styling gel, but for me, I just preferred this nice and lovely. You can get it in the supermarket, or you can buy it on Jumia. Even the braid itself you can buy at Jumia, and delivery will be done, or any other online shop, but mine I got them at supermarket. So I'm applying the gel, as you can see, ample. Be generous with the gel, because if you don't do it, the hair will stand, and that is not what you're looking for. So be generous with the gel and comb through to lay low and tie it above the hair. To form a small ponytail of your hair. And if your hair is not that thick, don't use a lot of gel, but because my hair is thick, that's why I go ample with the gel, guys. After that, I twist my small hair in front here, and then I use my scarf to lay it low and go to bed with it. So we shall see you tomorrow in the morning as we see how it looks after I remove the scarf and the gel is dry. And if you want to leave the house immediately when you're doing this, you can use a dryer to make your gel dry faster. But because I was not leaving the house the same day, that's why I went ahead and applied. I used my scarf, guys. So that's it, guys. See you tomorrow in the morning. Hi guys, so this is the following day. The hair is super dry. I had to wait overnight for it to be dry and lay so low. So let's go ahead to the next step. So this is how it looks. The braids looks like this. I tried to go for the color that is almost with my hair, that looks like my hair, you see. The braid itself, it's not a lot, you see. This is how it looks. you twist it on the hair, and at the same time it gives a nicer look. Like this, but for me I want to look a bit more, yeah, so I'm using these fine tiny ones to create something like pom-poms. There. There. And then for the final look, I'm adding these. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you liked this video, please comment on the section below what you think about it, whether you try it. So see you next time as we do something else with our natural hair, because me, I love it because the fact that it looks the same with my hair, it creates that natural look in me. So guys, if you love this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. See you next time as we do this more. Bye. Love you. Mwah.